Hello dear all, my Tangle buddies and art buddies. Welcome to Tangle and Inspire. I am Ashwarya. I am a certified Zentangle teacher. I live in Pune, India. And if you are coming for the first time here, just let me introduce you to what I am doing. So we are focusing on Zentangle patterns, where we are looking into the old beautiful patterns that was created in around 2012-13. So today's focus tangle is Bandola. You can check her website, or you can even check Tangle Patterns to see the original. I found this way to be a bit easy. So I'll start with a dot here on this corner and then give a lot of space, add another one in the same row. Once again, give some space, add a dot. And here you create a dot. So I created 4 dots. If in your tile it comes to 5 dots, it's okay. But try to give as much as space as possible. Thereafter, we'll just create some strike. That is dash of lines. Okay, short dash of lines. Say about a half an inch. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to give some space and create over here, and then eyeball it from this row to the other side and create a dot. Okay, once again give some space, eyeball it and create a dot. Once again eyeball it and create a dot. So here I am going a bit outside the string pencil line, so that's okay. Now we'll create one more small dash, say about a half inch. Okay. Now similarly, I'll skip this row and just eyeball it and do it on the other side. So this way, to create a hexagonal shape becomes very easy. So without any ruler or a compass, you can create hexagonal shapes. See? So now we'll skip this row and simply eyeball it. Give it a nice gap. Again. Okay. Yes. In the same row. Okay. For me, this worked out. So once again, give it a good gap and create a line. So I'll do the same thing over all the other spaces. Okay. So now to create a hexagonal shape, we need these two on the left and the right. So you can use the tip of this dash and join it to the ends of the top one. Turn your tile and create it the other way. Okay, that's okay. If it is a bit longer or shorter, it doesn't matter. So the tip of the top joining the down tip of the left side. Same way, do it on the right side. So we somehow found a hexagonal shape. Now we have to do the same thing over all the other spaces. So first, when your first one gets created, it becomes very easy to create all others. So you see, I am not using the top of it. I want it to be a bit slant, so I can easily achieve it. It's okay. What we'll do is, we'll create this box shape. Okay, so just simply eyeballing it from this end to that end. Okay, so I always start from the center to the ends, so it becomes a bit easy. Okay, so another way of creating bandola pattern is, you can create some lines, some grid lines with pencil. So I am showing you these two ways so that you can create hexagonal pattern using a pen. So the first we'll do is, we'll create some center dots. Okay, okay, yes. So on this row I want to create some center dots. Okay, I'll mark it on both the sides, on all the sides of the row. Okay, you can use any way you want to. If you find this one easy, you can use this one, or you find the other one as shown in Tangle Patterns, you can use that. Okay, and here as well. So this just plays as a guideline. Thereafter, we'll first create one column of triangles, diamonds. Okay, all the sides. So you see that I keep moving my tile, so I don't want to confuse you. I'm keeping my tile straight. So after the first row is done, what I want you to do is, I want you to create strokes. Okay, the meeting point or the intersection point of the down of this V shape, will touch it to the grid. Okay, same way we do it on the other side as well. So this is like following the same grid pattern, right? Now we'll take this center of it and bring it somewhere in the center of this grid. Okay, just say about half an inch this side and half an inch that side. Okay, I think using Zentangle method, creating Zentangle patterns becomes more and more easier. So now what we'll do is, we'll join this center to this corner, to this down. So we easily achieve this hexagonal shape. Okay, okay, now similarly, okay, we can do the same thing over the other side on the top as well. So this kind of tangling or creating a hexagonal shape is quite regular. It looks quite symmetrical, not regular, symmetrical. Okay, so once these both are achieved, we can create the same horizontal lane of diamonds over here, okay, on these two spaces. So once again, just eyeball it, bring it to the center and line it. This reminds me of a tangle pattern, diamond paints from Margaret Bremner. So you can check that out also. I think it has similar DNA. So once again, a very beautiful pattern as well. I haven't googled it, just while showing you this step out, I'm coming up with the idea. Now, so we have achieved this row of diamond shape. Then I'm just keeping my pencil so that I don't want to confuse you. Okay, now this one is achieved and this one is achieved. All that is left with us is to create this paints. Okay, so at the intersection point, we create a half-inch line. Now we can, instead of creating one more line, I'm just drawing it. I just want to aura it, you can say, or I want to create a parallel lines. It's very difficult for me to talk and draw, so I often have slip of tongues. Not tongues, slip of tongue. Okay. So once again, so I have this set of diamonds, I have another set of diamonds, so, and this is the hexagonal. Now I can create one more set of diamonds. This is a bit lengthy in process, but if you are a lover of symmetrical, you can use this style of creating it the same way. Always remember, whatever you do on the downside, you do the same thing on the upper side, so it becomes easy. Okay, so what I'll do is, so let me first tangle on the first of the tile that we did. Okay, yes, so I'll simply create like a box, okay, over here. So that's how she has shown also. So like a box, it comes over the top wherever. Once again, I just, if you see, so it already looks so dimensional, isn't it? It's very beautiful pattern. So now let us do the same thing over here on this tile that we created with grids, and since we have a bit bigger diamond shapes, you can create the boxes also a little bigger. Okay, I like to keep my, say if this is your straight, I think I'll keep it like this, a bit slant, like a vertical, so it becomes very easy for me to tangle. So you can do that as well. It's simply aura, and I know each time almost like it will come equally and good. So once here in the diamonds we have achieved, now it is here we have to do. We can create boxes. So what I am going to do is I'm just going to change the way I tangled over here. Okay, so instead of horizontal lines I want to create some vertical lines. So I think that would also look very fun and very good. So I'll start on one side. Okay, so I am on my balcony. It's just rained here and weather is good, and it's hot inside and it's a bit cooler outside. So I thought, okay, I'll shoot here only. So I finished this one tile. I'll show it later. I finished the shading of it and I really loved it. You see, so fun, so good to see. And yeah, and now I just want to shade here, so you can watch me how I do this style. So pendula is a very beautiful pattern, and it comes into immediate dimensions just by adding a little bit of graphite. Okay. See how lovely it is. So I'll be posting all these pics and after the session on Instagram, so you can watch that also. I have done about 4 drawings of bandola, and it's really nice, it's really fun, and you can see that. So it is so, like, really amazing. I'm just putting the shade on one side just a bit. Okay. Yeah. And then just smoothen it out using the tortillon. Okay, so just for fun sake I want to add some shading here, just outside this middle part. Put my camera light on because I don't know if you will be able to. It's quite dusky here, so you may see some shadows in my drawing, so it's better to keep some extra light.
मगर हम बस 1 मिनट के लिए पॉज करके दे सकते हैं।
How fun is it? Isn't it? So I just want to pull out my graphite from the edges just to give a nice feel to it. So this is the Tangle Bandola. Okay, I just want to write it here. Bandola by CCT Saddle will share. And here I give my signature. So that is it from me for today. You can see the 3 completed tiles. I'll show the journal along with, I have already taken the video of the journal, so I'll show it along. You can watch the 3 things. I used moonlight jelly rolls here, so this was really fun. You see, wow. Okay, stay creative, stay happy, and see you soon on Monday again. Bye bye.